Right, so unfortunately, I don't do a whole lot of Halo stuff. I just made that Halo video because I like to play around with things that aren't just mine. I mean, Halo's classic, it's just cool. Homeworld is pretty cool. I like Star Wars as well. Sci-fi ships and vehicles are my jam. Um, this video is an update basically showing my progress on visual effects and terrain work, because I have to try and make terrain from the ground up now. Whereas beforehand I was using MechAssault 2 textures for the terrain because I built a whole workflow around that. And now I've got to start and figure out how to make it on my own and make it look good that meets my standards. Other thing that doesn't meet my standards will be fairly prevalent in this video. It's the visual effects like explosions, impact effects, weapons effects, those kinds of things. I'm still trying to sharpen my skills on that front before I move on to anything else. And this is a very slow burn process of building up assets towards the series, because if I'm gonna do it, I gotta do it right. That segment was proof of concept of what I'm capable of at the moment. Right now what's showing at this very moment is something very new. Previously I would manually texture the entire ship, and that would increase the amount of materials I would need, and it's very heavy on data and space, whereas these ships here are all using a trim sheet, which is a flat texture, and you just have to figure out how to warp it correctly along the mesh and basically make a ship out of it. Which means I can make ships a lot faster now, and I can also make varied types of the textures, as you probably saw earlier. The ships shooting plasma spheres those are using the same method. One of them is the Solid Republic type hull, and the other one is based off of the Siren from Azure Lane, because I thought it was interesting. So that's a new method. I will use that going forward. I think I'm finding my path now. Yeah.